4043 or 5356. They're both popular aluminum welding wires, but using the wrong one can ruin your welds. 4043 is an all-C alloy with high silicon content, great fluidity, and lower cracking risk. 5356 contains more magnesium, offering higher strength and better corrosion resistance. 4043 melts at around 573 degrees Celsius, easier to control during welding. 5356 melts hotter, around 630 degrees Celsius, and builds stronger welds. 4043 works well with 6 series aluminum like 6061. 5356 is ideal for 5 series alloys such as 5083 and 5052. Need a clean weld finish? Go with 4043. Need anodizing after welding? Choose 5356, it's more compatible. Use 4043 for thin aluminum sheets, window frames, or general repairs. Use 5356 for outdoor structures, automotive frames, or marine parts. Not sure which one fits your job? Send us your part or drawing. We'll recommend the right wire and welding settings.